how to turn your business WhatsApp to a normal one. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and turn that bell icon on so you stay updated if there are new updates here in the channel. So let us go and open up our business WhatsApp. So in your business WhatsApp, go to the settings by clicking on that three dots icon at the top. So once you have been in the settings, what you will see is the chats option. Go there, and once you are there, go to that chat backup. And in the chat backup, you will see some options that says backup. So just turn on backup and select the email that you want to have the backup sent to. So you will not lose the chats and all of the things that you have done in your business WhatsApp. So this is very important step. And go to your normal WhatsApp. So it will ask you if you want to switch. Just switch the account for that and switch, and also you will be inputting the code for you to log into your WhatsApp, and after that you will be able to go into your WhatsApp. So don't worry because your backup has been sent to your Gmail. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.